In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your remote machine or robot computer to internet. So the first question is, why do you need the internet on the robot? So usually you need internet to install any packages or update your code from the Git repository. So having internet on the robot is sometimes very important. But why is it challenging to have an internet? Because you imagine the only way that you can access your robot is through SSH. So there is no graphical interfaces. And sometimes the robot doesn't have a Wi-Fi interfaces. So I'm gonna show you how to basically handle these problems and how to get connected to internet through your local machine.
All right, let's jump into the terminal. So I open a new terminal. Let me make it bigger. Hopefully you guys can see the text here. And then let me also open another terminal by splitting the window. So okay, so I'm gonna keep the top terminal for my local machine and the bottom terminal for my remote machine, or as a robot computer. So I'm gonna SSH to my robot. So SSH to the username is Sayed, and the IP address 10.190.2.168.10.2, and then boom, here's the robot. So robot PC is my robot and remote machine, and I'm gonna connect my remote machine to internet. So local has the internet, so I can connect ping to Google, and you see I have the connection, but my robot doesn't have a connection to internet, so I cannot ping to Google for now. So I can divide this problem to two sections. This first part is your remote machine or robot computer has a Wi-Fi driver or has a Wi-Fi interface, and in that case you can just simply connect your Wi-Fi to an internet. But the problem is you don't have a graphical interfaces. So like you don't have this part, for example. You can easily connect it. So what would you do in that case? So in this case, there are a couple of ways that you can just connect your Wi-Fi to internet. The first way is basically using some kind of an interfaces. It's called nmtui, I think, and then yes, it's nmtui, and you can just see kind of a interfaces for the terminal, a graphical interface for the terminal that you can just easily edit a connection or add a connection, and then add a Wi-Fi connection, for example. And here you can just simply add a name and then security, or basically put the password for that. This is not very easy way, but this is kind of a way to find your Wi-Fi and then get connected. But if you want to get rid of this graphical interface, you just need to keep pressing escape until you get out this interfaces. The other way would be probably you can just exit from your remote machine and then do SSH with -x. So with that -x, you are able to see some graphical interfaces from your remote machine. So it's with the -X, and then okay, so now you are in the remote machine, but you are also able to see some graphical interfaces. So one other graphical interfaces would be nm connector, I think, connection editor, that you can see this. Yeah, this is much better than the previous one. And you can see, for example, I'm gonna edit, for example, this, or I don't know, for some reason I'm not. Oh, I think I should have connect this with sudo. Yes, so I already have this one, and then you can just simply see all the information. And I'm not going to show you guys the password for my Wi-Fi, but yes, so you can find your Wi-Fi here and then add it to your remote machine. The other easiest way would be this one line of code that you can just simply add it and then get connect to internet. Very easy. So it's going to be nmcli and then device, I think, and then Wi-Fi connect. And then here you just need to write your Wi-Fi name. Wi-Fi name, and then here you need to say password, and then here you just need to write your password for the Wi-Fi. Password. And then you just simply press enter, and then you will be connected to internet very easily. In the second case, assume that your robot doesn't have any Wi-Fi driver, but it should be fine. Don't worry about it. You can just get the internet from your local machine and then just forward it to your remote machine or robot computer. This is what is called IP forwarding. So I'm gonna start with this very long command in my local machine, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna put all these commands that I'm using here in the caption of this video. So yeah, so in your local machine, just write sudo iptables-t nat a posttrouting -o, name of the Wi-Fi interface, and then -j and masquerade. So how I can get the name of the Wi-Fi interface in my local machine? So I think in the previous video I said if you use ifconfig, it would give you the list of the interfaces in your laptop, or the other way is going to be ip link show. So you can just see what kind of interfaces you have in your computer. So for example, I have Ethernet interface and I have a Wi-Fi interface. So my Wi-Fi interface usually starts with W, but in your computer or your system it might be a different name. But yeah, so I just need to copy this name and then paste it to basically I think I already have it here, but yeah, just paste it here. Okay, boom. And then the second step would be just enabling the IP forwarding by writing another line command. So it's going to be echo 1 and would be sudo, I think, te plus. Then if you just press tab, it would complete it for you. And then net and IPv4 and IP-forward. Yes. And then it shows 1, that means your IP forwarding has been enabled. So you're done with your this setup in your local machine, and then I'm gonna go back to my remote machine, which is my robot computer. I can just do one more thing, only one more command in the remote machine by just sudo IP route at default. Yeah. So here you just need to put the IP address of your local machine. IP address of your local machine. So my IP address of my the local machine was, I think, 192.168.10.5. Yes. And then I put the password, and then since I already add this one, this is asking me this, but and then you can just say route, and then this route shows the internet connection is there, so you can just simply say ping 8.8.8 and say yes. So we have an internet in the computer of the robot. And you can also check 8.8.8, or you can also check google.com, for example. But yeah, so here it doesn't see any connection. I don't see any connection with the google.com, but I do see connection with the 8.4.8, but it's okay. You're already connected to internet. You just need to just add a simple command in the, I think, here you can just edit this file in the etc resolve, I think, .config, And then here simply you can just add this guy name, oops, this name server, and then put 8.8, and then save this file. Oops, doesn't save it. You need to open this file with sudo. I need to rewrite it again. Name server, and then 8.8.8.8, and then save it again. And now try to ping Google. Boom. And now you have a Google, and internet is connected. The only problem is all these settings and setups can go away whenever you reboot your computer. So how we can make it like permanent, like not the temporary? So in order to make it permanent setup, you just need to run this command by iptables in your local machine, iptables-save, and then arrow, and then put the file name like iptable rules. I put it like iptable rules.txt, and then it says I need a permission that you just need to provide the sudo, and then that's it. So you basically save the rules in the iptables-rules.txt, and then these rules are being saved. You can just open this up and see all these rules are here. Okay, and good. And you need to basically do another setup, which is going to be very easy. Again, you need to go to the etc and system control, sysctl.conf, and then uncomment this line, uncomment IP forward, I think. Where is it? IP forward, yeah, this one. Let me make it bigger by Ctrl+Shift+X. Ctrl+Shift+X, it makes the terminal bigger for you, and then yeah, you just need to uncomment this. Oops, yeah, uncomment this guy, and then you save it. Oh, it says you can't do this because I need to open this file with the sudo. So don't forget to use sudo whenever you want to edit any file from your root directory. So yeah, I open this up with the sudo and looking for that command. Oh, where is it? Yes, it's here. So yeah, you can then just save it, and then that's it. So this is going to be the permanent setup, and you don't need to basically do any other stuff in your remote machine. Only few changes in this local machine that makes this setup permanent.
All right, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel for more robotic content. See you next time.